When Briana was very small and very little, she had very blonde hair. And she would talk to me as I was brushing her hair, and she would say to me, "Dad, what's growing up like? What's it like to grow up?" And I said, "Well, there's a couple stages. You start as an ankle biter, you crawl across the ground, and then you're a little girl, and then big girl, young lady, and then a woman. And today you're a woman, Briana Ray." And you've married a wonderful man. This person is your rock, is your foundation, is your anchor. I look forward to the day when the cycle continues and there are new little ankle biters.
That's really great.
And through this cycle, Briana Ray, you and David, will continue the cycle of our lives.
I don't remember the moment we first met. I know it was somewhere between Hinman and church, and I know it was on the first day of school, and I know it was on the way to Giordano's for deep dish pizza, but I can't remember the exact moment.
We've planned this out for so long. The folks are invited. They're here. It's been 10 years. And somehow, you still surprise me. And for all that I do that is strange, you accept me. When your shoes and socks cover every floor surface, I will still love you. And when your spilled coffee has finally covered all the lands in darkness, I will still love you.
A good relationship is having open arms and eyes. Love is having listening ears. It is wanting the best for someone. A good relationship is a friend who understands you and who trusts you.
It is a hug when you need it. Love is knowing that you're not lost anymore. It's a spirit floating in all things, living or dead. Love is for anyone and everyone.
And now, by the power vested in me, I now pronounce that you are husband and wife, and I invite you to seal your commitment with a kiss. Ladies and gentlemen, and those beyond the binary, I now present for the very first time as a married couple, Mr. David Thomases and Mrs. Briana Bauer.